Welcome back to Help Me GMP. In the intricate web of the pharmaceutical industry, ensuring the safety and efficacy of medicinal products is paramount. From the moment these products leave the manufacturing facility until they reach the hands of patients, a crucial journey unfolds: the distribution process. This journey, fraught with potential risks and challenges, necessitates robust controls to safeguard the integrity of these vital goods. This is where good distribution practice, commonly known as GDP, takes center stage. GDP encompasses a meticulous set of guidelines and principles that govern the proper handling, storage, and transportation of pharmaceutical products throughout the supply chain. It serves as a critical line of defense, protecting patients from the dangers of counterfeit, substandard, or degraded medications. By adhering to GDP regulations, stakeholders in the pharmaceutical industry play a pivotal role in upholding public health and maintaining trust in the healthcare system. The importance of GDP cannot be overstated. It is not merely a regulatory checkbox, but a fundamental pillar of patient safety. When GDP principles are compromised, the consequences can be dire, ranging from treatment failures to life-threatening adverse events. Therefore, a comprehensive understanding of GDP requirements and a steadfast commitment to their implementation are non-negotiable for all staff involved in the pharmaceutical supply chain. This video delves into the intricacies of GDP, providing a comprehensive guide for stakeholders seeking to navigate this complex landscape. We will embark on a journey that begins by unraveling the fundamental principles of GDP. What exactly constitutes good distribution practice, and what are the core tenets that underpin this critical framework? Moving beyond the theoretical, we will explore the practical implications of GDP for wholesale distribution authorization holders. These entities, operating at the heart of the pharmaceutical supply chain, bear a significant responsibility in upholding GDP standards. We will examine the specific challenges they face and the strategies they can employ to ensure compliance. This video will serve as a practical roadmap, equipping viewers with the knowledge and tools to master GDP compliance. We will delve into the specific requirements for achieving and maintaining GDP certification, covering areas such as quality management systems, personnel training, storage and transportation conditions, documentation, and risk management. Furthermore, we will go beyond the basics, offering additional tips and insights to enhance GDP compliance efforts. From leveraging technology to foster a culture of continuous improvement, we will explore innovative approaches to elevate GDP practices within organizations. Good distribution practice, or GDP, is a quality assurance system for the pharmaceutical supply chain. It ensures products reach patients safely and effectively. GDP mitigates risks like contamination and counterfeiting. Compliance is legally required and crucial for patient safety. The foundation of good distribution practice rests upon key principles guiding the pharmaceutical supply chain. These principles ensure the quality and integrity of medicinal products. Quality management is fundamental. GDP mandates a robust quality management system. Traceability is crucial. Accurate records enable swift identification and recall. Temperature control is paramount. Strict temperature ranges must be maintained. Security is critical. Robust security measures prevent unauthorized access and theft. The importance of good distribution practice extends far beyond regulatory compliance. It is a global imperative for safeguarding patient safety. By ensuring the quality and integrity of medicinal products throughout the distribution process, GDP plays a pivotal role in protecting public health and maintaining trust in the healthcare system. When pharmaceutical products are handled, stored, and transported according to GDP guidelines, patients can be confident that the medications they receive are safe, effective, and of the highest quality. GDP helps to prevent the distribution of counterfeit, substandard, or degraded products, which can have serious consequences for patient health. Moreover, GDP contributes to the fight against antimicrobial resistance, a growing global health threat. By ensuring the proper storage and handling of antibiotics, GDP contributes to prevent the development and spread of drug-resistant bacteria. This is crucial for preserving the effectiveness of these life-saving medications. The implementation of GDP fosters a culture of quality and traceability within the pharmaceutical supply chain. It encourages organizations to prioritize patient safety and to continuously improve their processes and systems. This, in turn, leads to a more robust and reliable healthcare system that patients can trust. Wholesale distribution authorization, or WDA holders, occupy a pivotal position in the pharmaceutical supply chain. They ensure efficient and secure distribution of medicinal products. Their actions impact the health and well-being of countless individuals. WDA holders maintain the integrity of medicinal products from receipt to dispatch. For WDA holders, compliance with GDP is a non-negotiable regulatory imperative. Regulatory authorities worldwide have established stringent GDP guidelines. WDA holders are legally obligated to adhere to these standards. Non-compliance can lead to severe consequences. Authorities can impose fines, product recalls, and even criminal prosecution. Non-compliance can damage a WDA holder's reputation. News of infractions spreads rapidly, eroding trust. The reputational damage can be difficult to repair. WDA holders must establish a robust quality management system. This includes documented procedures, regular audits, and continuous improvement. Personnel must be adequately trained in GDP requirements. Regular training programs should be conducted to keep staff updated. GDP compliance carries a profound ethical dimension for WDA holders. It's about protecting public health by ensuring the safety and efficacy of medicinal products. Wholesalers have an ethical obligation to uphold the highest standards of quality and safety. Their decisions impact patient health outcomes. A lapse in quality control or a break in the cold chain can have serious consequences. Ethical GDP compliance requires a culture of quality and commitment to patient safety. Transparency and accountability are paramount. Wholesalers should be open and transparent about their operations. This builds trust and confidence in the pharmaceutical supply chain. By embracing ethical GDP compliance, in turn they contribute to a safer healthcare system. At the heart of good distribution practice, GDP, lies a robust quality management system, QMS. This system serves as the backbone of compliance, managing all aspects of the pharmaceutical distribution process. A comprehensive QMS ensures the quality and integrity of medicinal products at every stage. It encompasses receipt of goods, storage, inventory management, transportation, and documentation. Clear responsibilities ensure everyone understands their role in maintaining GDP compliance. Documentation is paramount, providing consistency and evidence of compliance. The success of any quality management system hinges on the competence and commitment of the personnel. Human error highlights the need for comprehensive training and qualification programs. Training should be ongoing, starting with onboarding and continuing throughout an employee's tenure. The curriculum should cover all relevant aspects of GDP, including regulatory requirements and company procedures. Maintaining the quality of medicinal products relies on optimal storage and transportation conditions. Temperature excursions and physical damage can compromise these sensitive goods. Storage facilities must provide a secure and controlled environment, maintain appropriate temperature, humidity, and protection from pests and light. Transportation requires maintaining the cold chain with validated vehicles. Loading and unloading procedures should prevent damage to products. Documentation and record-keeping are essential components of GDP compliance. Meticulous documentation creates a transparent and traceable system. Every step of the distribution process should be documented accurately. This includes maintaining records of purchase orders, invoices, and delivery notes. Records should be clear, concise, complete, and readily retrievable. Traceability is a cornerstone of GDP. Proactively identifying and mitigating potential threats. GDP is about proactively identifying and mitigating risks to ensure the quality and integrity of medicinal products. A robust risk management system helps anticipate challenges and implement control measures. It starts with identifying potential hazards and evaluating their impact. Hazards include temperature excursions, product damage, counterfeiting, and theft. Implement control measures to mitigate risks. Measures should be proportionate to the risk level. For example, use validated temperature-controlled vehicles and real-time monitoring. The system should be dynamic, regularly reviewed and updated. Foster a culture of risk awareness and encourage hazard reporting. Provide regular training to ensure effective risk management. While a WDA holder's internal operations are paramount for GDP compliance, it's crucial to recognize that the pharmaceutical supply chain is an intricate web of interconnected entities. A weak link anywhere along this chain can compromise the integrity of the entire system, highlighting the importance of extending GDP principles beyond an organization's own walls and fostering collaborative partnerships with suppliers. Engaging with suppliers through regular audits and inspections is essential to verify their adherence to GDP standards. These audits should focus on critical aspects such as storage conditions, transportation practices, documentation procedures, and security measures. The selection of suppliers should not be based solely on cost, but should prioritize those with a demonstrated commitment to quality and compliance. Open and transparent communication channels with suppliers are vital for addressing potential issues promptly and effectively. This includes establishing clear communication protocols, designating points of contact for quality-related matters, and fostering an environment where concerns can be raised and addressed collaboratively, without fear of retribution. Regular meetings and joint training sessions can further strengthen supplier relationships and promote a shared understanding of GDP requirements. These forums provide opportunities to share best practices, discuss challenges, and align on quality standards, fostering a collaborative approach to maintaining the integrity of the pharmaceutical supply chain. In today's digital age, technology plays an increasingly transformative role in enhancing efficiency, visibility, and compliance in GDP operations. From real-time temperature monitoring systems to blockchain-enabled traceability solutions, technological advancements offer WDA holders powerful tools to streamline processes, reduce human error, and enhance the security and integrity of the pharmaceutical supply chain. Temperature-sensitive medicinal products require meticulous temperature control throughout their journey. Real-time temperature monitoring systems, equipped with sensors and data loggers, provide continuous visibility into storage and transportation conditions, enabling WDA holders to detect and respond to temperature excursions promptly, minimizing the risk of product degradation. Inventory management systems can be significantly enhanced through the use of barcode or RFID technology, automating stock tracking, facilitating accurate inventory counts, and reducing the risk of stockouts or expired products. These systems provide real-time visibility into stock levels, enabling WDA holders to optimize inventory management practices and ensure timely replenishment. Modern technology offers promising applications for enhancing traceability and combating counterfeit products in the pharmaceutical supply chain. By creating a secure record of product movement, distributors must maintain an auditable trail from manufacturer to patient, enhancing transparency, accountability, and trust in the authenticity of medicinal products. Achieving GDP compliance requires a culture of compliance that permeates all levels of an organization. Leadership must demonstrate a visible and unwavering commitment to GDP. This commitment should be reflected in actions, such as allocating resources and recognizing exemplary compliance behaviors. Open communication is paramount in a culture of compliance. Regular training programs play a crucial role in embedding GDP principles. In the realm of good distribution practice, the responsible person ensures adherence to stringent standards. This role demands expertise, vigilance, and leadership. The RP oversees the quality management system and conducts audits. They ensure compliance and liaise with regulatory authorities. While the responsible person holds ultimate accountability for GDP compliance, the successful implementation requires a concerted effort from a team of dedicated individuals. Each plays a crucial role in this orchestrated symphony of quality and safety. The responsible person acts as the guardian of quality standards within the organization. They develop and implement quality control procedures, ensuring all activity protects the product. Their commitment to quality prevents the distribution of substandard products. The warehouse manager maintains the integrity of medicinal products during storage. They ensure the warehouse environment meets GDP requirements, including proper temperature and humidity control, security measures, and pest control. Their oversight of stock rotation and inventory management is crucial. The transportation manager oversees the safe transportation of medicinal products, ensuring cold chain conditions are maintained throughout the journey. They select qualified carriers and validate transportation routes, implementing temperature monitoring systems to track conditions during transit. Their role prevents temperature excursions that could compromise product quality. The cornerstones of effective GDP implementation. Achieving GDP compliance is a collective responsibility, demanding seamless collaboration and open communication among all personnel. From the warehouse floor to the executive suite, a shared understanding of GDP principles is essential. Regular team meetings and cross-functional training sessions foster collaboration and knowledge sharing. Open communication channels ensure potential issues are identified and addressed promptly. Employees should feel empowered to voice concerns and suggest improvements. Creating a speak-up culture is essential for fostering a proactive approach to risk management. Embracing a culture of continuous improvement in GDP. Compliance is not a static endpoint, but a dynamic journey of continuous improvement. The pharmaceutical landscape is constantly evolving with new challenges and technologies. Embrace continuous learning, adaptation, and innovation. Commitment to quality and patient safety is essential. Every individual plays a role in upholding GDP standards. Shared responsibility fosters purpose and accountability. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be kept up to date with more great content.